Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. Today I would like to show you the way how you can change the background of the Zoom camera before you on your meeting with iPhone. You just need to open the Zoom application first and wait until the application is perfectly open. Now you just need to take a look on this button feature. Just go click this three small dot on the below sections here, and then just need to scroll up until you got the settings section. In this settings section, go click the meetings part. Now please focus on the video, and there will be a background and effect. Just tap it so you will have an access into the Zoom camera. So this is the simulation of your camera before you join the meeting. If you want to change the background, just take a look on this bottom part. Just drag this side into the upper side to explore more about the background that you have. So if you already have the background on your photo library, you just need to go click this plus button, and the phone, your iPhone, will bring you into the photo collections on your device. But if you want to use the background that already provided by the Zoom application, just simply tap it and the background will be changed right away. So whenever you join the meeting, your face will be in the top side of this background. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it. If you have some questions, just drop into the comments below, and let's meet again into other tutorial.